Hello guys, in this video today I'm actually going to share with you 3 remote jobs websites where you can find real online jobs to do in 2020. On my channel there's going to be a lot of people who want to find these online jobs, so I'm actually going to give you the resources in this video to actually look for these remote job opportunities. Okay, so let's get started right now. Alright guys, before I get started, here on my channel art here on my top right, there's a link here. This is something that I do online that I make passive online income every single month. If this is something that you are interested in and to see what I do, learn how to do it, watch this video and find more details about it. It is a business model that I've been using since 2016 to make passive online income every single month, and it's been working for me. You can check that out, okay? So let's get on with showing you what I found for these work online jobs, real online jobs. Okay, so the first site I want to show you is RemoteToRemote.co. Now this is a website that has a bunch of remote positions that you can look for. Okay, these are real online jobs and they are worldwide. Look, everything that I'm going to show you in this video is worldwide, and there are opportunities in even Asian countries and the countries in Europe. All right, so this is going to be for a lot of different people. So I'm going to show you 3 resources today. This is one of them. So in this one at remote.co, you could see here that there are a bunch of categories that you can search from. So if there's something that you're interested in, a particular type of job, then you can go specifically to these categories, and they have a lot of them. Okay, so let's just check out this for example sake. Okay, so there are tons of different categories as you can see here, but you'll see like in these types of jobs, this is for VAs, and what you see is that this is the executive coordinator at Sustain US. So this one is, so sometimes you actually see the rate, which is great, then you know what's going on, but this one says it doesn't start, this starts in next year. I don't know why they're recruiting so early, but then you get the details of the job and everything and the experience that you need. And most times they actually don't tell you the rate, so you just need to apply and see. But you will get some that will be available with the rate, and sometimes they will tell you if it's 100% remote or not. But on this particular site, it should be all remote. But sometimes they will still want you to be from certain countries. So that is what I want to point out to you. So let me look at a different one because there's more. Sometimes they'll say specifically. So this one is an appointment setter. Okay, so this sounds pretty easy to do. See right here, this one says you can work anywhere in the world with an internet connection. I mean, that sounds to me every single country in this world, right? I hope it is. So see, this says even though there are locations in US, this is 100% remote position. But this one doesn't tell you like how much you're going to earn. So as I was just saying earlier, you may not get how much you're going to earn, but you know, this one doesn't require any experience. You just need to be amazing on the phone, and if you had any cold calling experience, that would be a plus, but you're not going to be doing cold calls. So you're booking appointments, remember, okay? So that is just a couple examples, and then they have so many resources on the site that is great for you guys to check out. So if I go back to the beginning, you can look on this remote workers tab, and it'll give you even more resources that you want to probably research if you want to be a remote worker as your new career. Okay, that's more information that you can learn from. You can look at the companies that are on here, and so on the right you can see all the different companies that have jobs on here, which is pretty cool. And so you could jump to that or go by the category. Okay, so this is one site that is very, very useful. So the second site I want to show you is, I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm just going to try Penguin.com. So I'm just doing my best on pronouncing that one. This is another remote jobs platform where you could look for jobs that are for anywhere on the internet. Okay, so I don't have to sign up to look at it, so I'm going to just close this. And the yellow here, you can see that these are like featured positions. So these are the ones that people really want to hire because they're actually paying for you to see it. So if you see this one, anywhere in the world. So that one you could definitely apply for if you're out of the USA. And so there are also US, like certain jobs within USA, but anywhere in the USA. So that's what this one would mean. So you need to, for this site, you need to be, if you're outside of USA, make sure this column says anywhere or specifically the one that you want, that your country is at. So here you can see that there's going to be a variety of different jobs again to apply for, and it keeps going. So there are a lot of opportunities here. So you see a lot of USA, but also a lot of anywhere as well. Okay. And if you keep going, look, it just keeps going. And these are relatively new posts. Look, Germany, anywhere. Look, a bunch of anywheres right here. Okay. Look at USA, but still says Philippines here. It looks like in order to actually look into one of these positions, I do have to sign up. So I'm not going to be able to show you guys the details of these jobs. But that's not the point of this video anyway. The point of this video is to share with you the type of sites that are out there that actually specializes in finding you remote jobs. So this is the second one. And then the third one I want to show you is right here at RemoteTov. RemoteTov.io is the whole URL that you need to get to this website. And here, again, you're going to get to find the best remote jobs. So you can post a job if you are hiring, but most of us that are looking at this video are not hiring. And these are already the jobs, as you see, hottest remote jobs. And some of these are very IT-ish. And then you just got to keep looking for something that is something for you, that is something, the skills that you have. See, now it goes into customer support type positions, and then there's design positions as well. And again, these are very recent posts that are here. There's a lot more for each category if you jump into those more links, okay? So here's product, things to do with product, and all other. So there are many other positions like accounting and finance and everything else. So they basically specialize in these 5 categories for this particular job, okay, for this particular website. So this one looks like it's more IT remote jobs. So, but even though they do have a little bit of other types of jobs on here, but it looks like this site is specializing in IT more. And so you can just take a look at the remote companies here, and then you can see what companies would be hiring from anywhere, and then you could actually go directly to those companies and see what they have on their website to apply to them directly and not even go through the site, okay? So this is a very helpful website, and all 3 of them are very helpful, and all 3 of them will give you this kind of information if you look through, you know, the companies and the places that are hiring for remote workers. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. So with these 3 resources, you could find hopefully an online job that you can do from home. But when you are working for a job, guys, remember when you're working for somebody, you are still going to be trading time for money. And it's okay to trade time for money. That's okay, because everybody needs some kind of job if they want that, if that's what they need to do. But remember that there's also another side of the internet where you could build an internet business and actually earn from the work that you put into your business over and over again. Now, in a job, you cannot earn from the job that you do over and over again. You have to just keep doing more work, right? But when you build internet business, because it's on the internet, you can earn more and more from the work that you put in, because just because you put in the work, that doesn't mean the work goes away. It is living on the internet. So when it lives on the internet, you can earn from thousands of people that see your online business. So if you want to learn how to do that, check out that second link in my video description. It's what I do. I've been doing this since 2016, and it's a business model that you don't even need your own products or anything like that. So you don't need to worry about that. Okay. So just check it out. It's going to be the second link in the video description, and you could learn how to build your own internet business, an online business that pays you a passive online income because of the business model that I'm going to be showing you there. And it's a business model that is great for beginners, and I've been doing it as a stay-at-home mom at my house for the last few years. So I hope you join my path, and I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week. I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I'll see you on the next one.